Governor J.B. Pritzker is expected to sign a bill targeting anti-abortion centers. The House and the Senate passed the measure, which would prevent centers from using deceptive practices to deter women from having an abortion. Violations could lead to fines of $50,000. The governor has already indicated his support for the bill. Meanwhile, North Carolina is now set to create new restrictions on access to abortions as more states around the country consider similar measures. A chorus of boos and chants in the North Carolina Capitol as the Republican-led legislature voted to override the Democratic governor's veto of a bill restricting abortion access.
The House has overridden the governor's veto and the bill becomes law.
The bill is called the Care for Women, Children, and Families Act, and starting July 1st, it reduces abortion access from 20 weeks to 12 weeks. There are some exceptions in cases of rape or incest or where the pregnant person's life may be in danger. The rules require people seeking care to have in-person consultations outlining potential risks and other available options to them before they get an abortion. Doctors who violate the law could face fines, probation, or even have their licenses revoked. Before the override, lawmakers spent hours debating on the floor. In a statement, the White House press secretary says President Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris will continue to work with Governor Cooper, state legislators, and Americans who are fighting to protect abortion access, adding the administration will continue to call on Congress to codify abortion access for all Americans in every state. Meanwhile, in Nebraska, a bill banning gender-affirming surgeries for minors and restricting abortions after 12 weeks is set for a final vote.
We owe it to kids to let them grow up so they can make these decisions as adults.
If you vote for this, you will have buckets and buckets of blood on your hands.
Since the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, at least 15 states have made almost all abortion services illegal.
Another legal battle underway over the drug commonly used for abortions. Federal Appeals Court in New Orleans is hearing arguments about mifepristone. Anti-abortion activists are asking the courts to pull the drug off the market nationwide, including in states where abortion is legal. The case will likely head to the Supreme Court. Federal judges have already issued rival rulings on mifepristone this year.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC7 Chicago Eyewitness News.